Welcome back. Now, the Congress party in Rajasthan is all set to move a motion of confidence in the assembly session that will convene at 11 a.m. this morning. As per the governor's conditions, all yardsticks will be followed, including live telecast, the presence of the principal Secretary of Parliament Affairs. Confidence motion, remember, needs no prior notice, unlike a no confidence motion. Meanwhile, Congress sources have told CNN News 18 that the BSP MLAs who have joined the party will be a part of the voting. Remember, the BJP announced that it would move a no confidence motion against the Gehlot government, after which the Congress said it would go for a trust vote to prove majority in the House.
हम जानते थे कि निकम्मा है, नाकारा है, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, खाली लोगों को लड़वा रहा है। बॉम्बे के कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेज के लोग उनको स्पॉन्सर करें, अध्यक्ष एआईसीसी के बने, स्पॉन्सरशिप हो रही बॉम्बे से कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेज की, क्योंकि आप कॉर्पोरेट मिनिस्टर रहे थे।
They say in politics there are no permanent friends or enemies, and that phrase has proved true yet again in Rajasthan. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and his former deputy Sachin Pilot were all smiles when they came face to face in Jaipur, shaking hands and even flashing victory signs, betraying nothing of the month-long acrimony following Pilot's open revolt, which had pushed Gehlot's government to the brink.
हम लोग सब एकजुट हैं, किसी से शिकायत मुझसे हो सकती है तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा दूर करने, किसी शिकायत मंत्री से हो सकती है, मंत्री दूर करेंगे, वो बात हमने करेंगे.
And this show of strength could not have come at a better time. The BJP has announced that it will move a no-confidence motion against the Gehlot government.
हो सकता है कि ये सरकार स्वयं अपनी तरफ से विश्वास मत के लिए प्रस्ताव लेकर आए, वो अपना काम करेंगे, लेकिन हम कल ही उनके खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव भी साथ का साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी और हमारे सहयोगी दल के रूप में हम निश्चित रूप से रखेंगे.
Gehlot has been guarding 100-odd MLAs at hotels since Sachin Pilot launched his rebellion. Earlier this week, Pilot and 18 MLAs supporting him returned to the party fold after Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi intervened and met Pilot.
I don't feel bitter or sad. I'm a positive person. I take things in the right spirit.
While one storm has passed, another is brewing. And Gehlot will be relying on all 107 Congress MLAs as well as some independents in order to breathe easy.
Now the Congress family is united. We will fight against the BJP's bad politics.
The Rajasthan Congress is selling the line, all is well again. But is anyone buying it?
Well, bringing in our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh, who joins us live for more details. Pallavi, the Congress all set to move a motion of confidence. This is, of course, to preempt the BJP, which otherwise is planning to move a no-confidence motion.
Yes, and there's a fundamental difference between the two. A no-confidence motion, of course, requires a prior notice. A confidence motion, which is going to be moved by the government, which is in power, obviously, does not require a prior notice. So the plan is very simple, that the House is going to reconvene at 11. And once the House reconvenes, they're going to list the agenda for discussion. And, of course, then there's going to be this motion, which is expected to be moved by the chief whip of the party, Mahesh Joshi. And then there's going to be a short, I think, a little speech, which perhaps could be given by the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and a couple of others from the Congress party as well, from the government as well. So the plan is that since they have the numbers, they have nothing to worry about. They're going to show that there is a show of strength, a show of unity as well. And the next motion or a no-confidence motion can be brought in only after 6 months. That's what the parliamentary or assembly convention is usually about, Vandana. So that's a game of checkmating of the BJP is what is being planned by the Congress party.
Right, like you said, Pallavi, the Gehlot government now comfortably has the numbers, and also additional confidence will be added to the fact that the Supreme Court, at least for the time being, has paved the way for the BSP MLAs, the former BSP MLAs, to also participate in the trust vote, because they've refused to intervene in the case, saying the Rajasthan High Court is already hearing it.
See, the Congress is so confident of its numbers, it's pointing out that even if those 6 BSP MLAs were not with us, we would still have won the trust vote. The matter is pending in the Supreme Court on Monday. And before that, of course, they're going to be allowed to vote today, despite the fact that the BSP Rajasthan unit has already issued a whip on them. But, as I said, I mean, the Congress party is pretty confident, and especially with Sachin Pilot and his 18 MLAs by their side. And as Ashok Gehlot himself pointed out, that we would have won the trust vote either which case. But the fact remains is that Congress at this point of time wants to show that there is a show of strength. They are all united. So the temporary truce has certainly been attained. Immediately for them, a political match that they want to play with the BJP is to show that all their attempts at trying to dislodge the government has failed.
All right, so after much drama, the Gehlot government is safe for now. Thank you, Pallavi, for joining us with all those updates.